Coming up on Extreme Detail Garage, Luis and Abdul take on an exciting transformation.
So proud of you guys. This is incredible.
With this 2018 Corvette Z06 as they race against the clock.
This car is going to be this weekend at the show, and we try to get it accomplished by the show.
With the 32nd annual Tri-City Corvette Club Show just days away, the team has one shot to finish this build before its big reveal at Doggett Ford Park Arena.
I enjoy working on vehicles where the owner is like a car enthusiast.
Where owner Michael Fry will proudly showcase it for Corvette enthusiasts from across the region. But can Abdul and the crew deliver a flawless transformation before time runs out?
I love the job that the graphic designer accomplished on this one here. It looks like a flame zone.
Projects with tight deadlines demand more than speed. They require experience, precision, and the confidence to execute every detail without compromising the quality and craftsmanship that Extreme Detail Garage is known for. All that and more, right here on Extreme Detail Garage.
I'm Luis Guevara. I've been in the car detail industry for over 20 years. He's the master of the wraps, I'll tell you that right now.
You need to go down.
Alongside my team, we work in some of the coolest vehicles on the road, from luxury sport cars to monster trucks and timeless classic rides. No job is too big, no detail is too small. When it comes to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and custom wraps, we do it all. This is Extreme Detail Garage. So this weekend we have a car show that we need to attend, and we are taking care of all those guys that are coming to the show and want to be specific getting ready for the show. The shop here is full of vehicles that are getting ready to be there, and we as sponsors and as a number one followers of the group, as appreciation for the support all these years. But the one that I have in the back is super special because we're trying to have that car ready for Michael this weekend where he can showcase it. He loved and die for this vehicle. It's a 21 model CO6, and now we're doing a full wrap that, like I say, is gonna be presented at the show.
We're doing everything with water right now, removing dust or whatever we have on our way, and then we go again with the alcohol.
Welcome to Doggett Ford Park Arena for the 32nd Annual Tri-City Corvette Club Show.
So the moment of truth, Mike, and thank you for giving us this opportunity. I enjoy working on vehicles where the owner is like a car enthusiast.
Absolutely.
As yourself.
Absolutely.
And here we are at the Corvette show. I want to show you what magic we did on your vehicle. So, bear with me.
Abdul, to have my dream turn into a reality, and you did the hard work. Mine was the easy work. I just want to say that is absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much. And as you know, we did the ghosted flag as you requested.
Yep.
The emblems, I know that in the mock-up they were on the bumpers. I don't like how it is.
No, I love that.
So I did it at the bottom corners.
Perfect.
To keep all the decals and stickers with the stripe.
No, that's great. So we got the Extreme decal. So one, I appreciate working with you guys on anything I do with my car.
Thank you.
Two, I have a friend of mine who has a facial place that does cantabulous stuff to your face. So she's a minor contributor to the car. And then, of course, my business, photomotogroup.com, is there. And then my hope is that I can get Toyo's Tire signed up one day. That's why I put the name on there, to try to drive that to conclusion. So to have people do something totally different to the car, because this is number 298 out of 650. It's a special car, 65-year anniversary edition. I had some worries about it, but I knew they were in great hands with Abdul. So so I was worried, but now I'm not. So I was kind of starstruck a little bit. 2 weeks ago, I was laying in bed and I had a vision. I started playing around with some programs and I created a design. I went by Extreme Detail and I said, hey, is there something that you can do to match this? And they're like, absolutely. I was like, can you do it in a week? Both of them had a conversation and they looked at each other and said, yeah, we can do it in a week. So I'm glad y'all brought it here safe. It looks fantastic, and I don't think I could have dreamed up a better dream than what y'all fulfilled. So
Thank you.
I appreciate everything you got. And
I enjoyed driving your car.
And I apologize for giving you such a short time frame on this. So just one thing to shout out about that is Extreme Detail. A week ago, we talked about this. Today, it's a reality, and any other job probably wouldn't have been done, but y'all stepped up and did that.
Thank you so much.
So I just want to thank you for that. There's only 2 words that come to mind. Extreme Detail. You got Louise and you got Abdul. Both of them are fantastic to work with. They're calm, cool, collective. They understand what my needs are. They understand what your needs are. And they will make it come to life if you have a vision. You just got to tell them what your vision is.
If you enjoyed this episode featuring Michael Fry's Corvette full wrap transformation, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming episode. For more information about all of our services or to schedule your own vehicle transformation, visit our website at extremedetailgarage.com and book your next project with the team at Extreme Detail Garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, right here on Extreme Detail Garage.